In this video, I've shown you guys how you can enable WebGL on your Google Chrome browser. So this is going to help you view 3D graphics and advanced 2D graphics on your browser without you having to install any external software. So to do this, just move to your settings like this, move on your Chrome like this. On your Chrome, you move to your settings. So it's simple and easy. You just come here, you tap on this here, and then you move to your settings here. It will take you to this page. So on this page, you move to your system here. And now we need to enable this, use graphic acceleration when available. So we need to enable that. After that, let's edit our extension here. So we are not going to clear the Chrome, but rather we are going to clear the system and the settings. So you can see here. Now I enter flags here. And then I press enter. It takes me to this page. So on this page, at the search button, I need to enter web and GL, no spacing, web and GL. After that, you search. You're going to get these three options here. So you can see you need to enable all of them. So by default, it will be disabled like this. So to enable it, you tap on it like this. You can see I've disabled it. So I tap on this and I enable it. I tap on this, disable. I tap on this to enable it. I tap on this, disable, and I tap on this to enable it. Simple. After that, you need to relaunch your browser for it to take effect. You can see it here. So you relaunch your browser for it to take effect. After that, you can view your 3D and then your advanced 2D graphics on your browser without any software. So after doing this, if it doesn't work, you need to download Edge. If Edge doesn't work for you, you need to download Firefox. If Firefox doesn't work, it means your device cannot support, you viewing 3D and advanced 2D graphics on your browser. You need to get a software or get a new PC. So that's it on how you can enable WebGL settings on your Chrome browser or on your PC. If you are new here, give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.